Hey there, ladies and gents, I hope you're doing well. I'm about to break down for you how to start your very first affiliate marketing business using Clickfunnels, okay? For those of you that are searching or have come across Clickfunnels before, in short, it is a software, a sales funnel software that can help you save time, create a new passive stream of income, or help develop your current existing business. Okay, now without further ado, we're going to jump into my laptop and I'm going to go over just how easy it is to get started and set up as an affiliate, so you can learn the fundamentals in building an extra stream of passive income for yourself. Okay, so we're going to jump into my laptop right now. Hey there, ladies and gents. So as promised, we're going to jump straight into how you can get your affiliate marketing ClickFunnels account set up and running. Okay, now I'm going to keep this really simple. Things don't have to be super complex, but what I want you to get from this is just how valuable ClickFunnels can be for you. Okay, because unlike traditional businesses, as I'm sure you're very aware right now, this software, this piece of tool in your toolkit essentially is going to help you explode your business moving forward. If you are looking to develop more of an online presence, okay, get connected and learn how to build a sales funnel that can enable you to pretty much add value to any business out there, okay, any industry, and ultimately enable you to create an additional stream of income doing that. Okay, so the first thing that you're going to want to do, getting your laptop up, is quite simply Google ClickFunnels affiliate login. So what we're going to do is click the first one, and again, one of the benefits of this, especially in the times we're in, as you're going to see, this is free to do. This doesn't cost anything. You're actually going to get a 14-day free trial. There's going to be a link down below. You can test it out, and if you do sign up, I will be given commission for that. But that is not the point of this video. Okay, I'm not here to sell you on creating a ClickFunnels account necessarily. I want to make sure that you get a bit of a better understanding on why it could be useful to you, and not only that, how you could actually use and leverage this platform for other businesses in order to get paid. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do or see on the page, quite simply, is that ClickFunnels pays up to 40% monthly recurring commissions. Now that is actually only 40% commissions when you sign up or have signed up 40 different people. Okay, so you actually begin with 20%, just for quite simply signing up. Okay, now what you're actually going to see is a number of benefits with this platform. If you've ever come across ClickFunnels before, if you've ever seen anything to do with Russell Brunson, who is the founder, if you've seen anything to do with the community, okay, there's a ton of program content that is actually going to help you get started if you're a total beginner, starting from scratch. Okay, and there's nothing wrong with that. Everybody has to start somewhere, and personally, those were actually some of the first books and content that I came across when I was looking for anything to do online. Okay, so if you're in a similar position, do not worry. Okay, because not only is the software and the community and the content provided more than enough to help you in a wide range of areas getting off the ground, this is also, as I say, going to hopefully create some type of additional income for you, whether you're using that for yourself or providing value to businesses that might need it in the times we're in. Okay, so again, as you can see, 40% monthly recurring commissions. We just talked about that. As you can see, in regards to .com secrets, expert secrets, traffic secrets, and a number of challenges that they run. So, fastest way to succeed as an affiliate, as mentioned, some of the benefits, more so than just the software, really is the community, okay? And coming across and discovering people in your field that have done what you want to do, okay? That is one of the paths to least resistance in getting this off the ground, okay? So what you're going to want to do, quite simply, is create an account, okay? So if we have a look here, I've done the login, and for those of you that are going to take this seriously down the line, there is, you can qualify for a dream car if you sign up 200 members, okay? If you can find 200 people who would like to basically save time, save resources, because the beauty of these programs, of these funnels, as you're going to see, is really just how much time it saves you and money. Because instead of having to go out there and hire employees or other salespeople for your team, this automated software is going to make it a lot easier for you, okay? So as I said, once you've created your account, your affiliate login, it really becomes this simple, okay? So as you can see, there's a number of different programs, books, that you as an affiliate can go out there and promote, okay? So one of the biggest ones is actually the One Funnel Away Challenge. So of course this will be for your account, the link, okay? So the link in the URL will have your specific name or account in, okay, which you can quite simply copy and paste, and you will be rewarded $100 CPA for every person who enrolls in the One Funnel Away Challenge, okay? So if you've never come across a CPA before, then it's a fairly good CPA, okay? So the idea is that you're able to get individuals that are also interested, like-minded entrepreneurs, business owners, whoever they are, to enroll with you, and your cost acquisition is less than $100, okay? Now that's a little bit advanced for the majority of people beginning and starting, which I totally understand, but just know that it's very, very generous when you get people going, okay? So as I said, as well as the software, the benefits really of joining a program like this and an affiliate program is the network and people that you get to connect with, okay? There's tons of people in there. You can learn a great deal if you're willing to engage and talk to people online, network. This could be a great opportunity for you, okay? So as I say, $100 for somebody joining the One Funnel Away Challenge is very, very generous, okay? But as I say, alongside of that, you get subject lines, you get copy that is already written. So it really is a plug and play platform that you can use, okay? Now, personally, myself, I actually just use this majority of the time for email opt-ins, okay? I actually don't sell any products direct, which you can do, but personally, myself, I use it just for lead generation because of how easy the pages you're able to put this together. So it's something that I really, really, value and respect, and that's why I'm happy to share it, okay? Because to be honest with you, traditionally, you might be thinking that a website does the same. A website does do similar things, but if you want to create pages very, very quickly, a website takes a fair amount of time to get up and running. And ultimately, the ability to add a video sales letter allows you as a business owner basically an unlimited amount of sales reps, okay, if you put it in terms of anything else. So these pages are super easy to make. Don't have to get a designer, copywriter, or whole team. You are able to put this together in 10 to 15 minutes, okay? So if you'd like to see more of that, if you'd like to see how to put together a sales funnel, then be sure to hit me up personally or leave a message down below. But this is just to show you that there are ways that you can make an additional stream of income by sharing other people's products, okay? So if you're watching this video, then the Clickfunnels affiliate program is something that you might want to look into, okay? Because it has a community, it has a product that works and is valuable to a wide range of industries and businesses, okay? Anything that you can think of, anything that you buy, any product, any service needs some type of sales process, okay? So if you're able to go out there and share this with others who may be looking, especially at this moment in time, for ways to free up their own time and resources, do it in a super effective way, and build a business on top of it, this is a great program for you, okay? As I say, there is going to be a link down below. This is a really super simple video on how to, become an affiliate, some of the benefits of it, and as I say, if you actually want something in more detail, then there's going to be other videos around this, okay? Because starting off is really hard, okay? And the majority of people who promote this product or this affiliate program most likely don't use it fully themselves, okay? But if you have a good understanding of business, entrepreneurship, marketing, this is a crazy useful tool that you should definitely look at, okay? To save yourself time in anything that you're doing. So couldn't recommend it more highly. To be honest with you, even the cost of the community, really getting involved with some of the aspects of the platform are well worth it, and it is as easy as that to sign up, okay? Create your free account for 14 days. You get a free trial to test it out. And again, if you have a look down here, these are some of the members who use this platform in order to, seek growth in their businesses and ventures, okay? So you can also plug into that, which is great. Now, I hope that made sense. As I say, really simple video, but that is effectively how you can get paid, $100 pretty much, off the bat for just sharing a platform. One of these, you get paid every time you share this with somebody that you think it may be valuable to. So check out the rest of my videos and be sure to like and subscribe if you would like any more in detail on advertising, digital marketing, or you're looking to generate an extra stream of income online because you want to free up your time, okay? You value it. And yeah, I'd be more than happy to help. As I say, like, subscribe, and yeah, check it out. Check out the links, as I say, test them out, see what it's all about and how it can help you, okay? I also work with a community of entrepreneurs based out in the United States. If you would like to network and get involved with that, I'm also more than happy to help you. As I say, if you have a product or service that you're looking to advertise and get in the correct hands, I would also be more than happy to help.
So yeah, until next video, peace out.